Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboRequest. You ask, we build. We are back again with another super fun and useful Arduino project. This time we are building a fully functional digital calculator using an Arduino Uno, an 16x2 LCD with I2C module and a 4x4 matrix keypad. So special thanks to Kinetic Tech V1 for the awesome project suggestion. And remember, your idea would be the featured next, so keep those suggestions coming. Let's get calculating. Here's what we will need for this project. One Arduino Uno, one 16x2 LCD display with I2C module, one 4x4 matrix keypad, jumper wires, USB cable for uploading code. Now let's build a circuit. Connect the GND of the I2C LCD to GND on Arduino. Connect the VCC of the I2C LCD to 5V on Arduino. Connect the SDA pin of the LCD to A4 and SCL to A5. Now wire the keypad. Rows to pin 2, 3, 4, 5. Columns to pin 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's it for the connection. Super clean and simple. Now download the code file given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. First we include the necessary libraries. Wet.h and liquid crystal _I2C.h help us communicate with the LCD screen via I2C. Keypad.h helps us read 4x4 matrix keypad. And math.h enables math operation like square root. Next, we initialize the LCD. We set the LCD address to 0x27 with a 6x2 display. Let's configure the keypad. Here we define the layout of the keypad. Button A, B and C are special function keys for operators and brackets. D is for calculation. And hash are used for delete and clear. Now we define the pin connection for keypad rows and columns. Row pins connect to pins 2 to 5 and column to pins 6 to 9. Now let's create some global variables. Input stores the correct expression. Last answer stores the last calculated result. These are used to manage our operator cycling. Now for buttons A, B and C, these variables help rotate between plus, minus, multiply, division, square root and to the power 2 and the brackets. Now define the actual operation. Now set a function, initialize the LCD, turn on the backlight and displays a welcome message. Loop function continuously checks if any key is pressed. Now we handle each key press with conditionals. Now if an answer is showing and star is pressed, clear everything. If answer is showing but any key other than star is pressed, start fresh. For numerics keys 0 to 9, simply append the digit to the expression. Now if A is pressed, we toggle between plus, minus, multiply and division. Press again within 1 second to switch to the next operator. Now if B is pressed, toggle between square root and square. If C is pressed, toggle between left bracket and right bracket. If D is pressed, evaluate the expression. Backspace with star if not showing answer. Clear everything using hash. Always update the display. Reset indices to avoid rotation glitches. Evaluate expression function. Now this is a basic evaluator that only handles 2 numbers and 1 operator, square root, squaring. We parse digit and operators and finally return the result. And that's it. Now upload the code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino Uno. And now click on the upload button. Now once uploaded, power your Arduino. Now try typing 5a6d, you will get 11. 9bd, square root of 9, that is 3. 4bd, 4 squared, that is 16. It's simple, fast and works like a magic. And that's it. You have just created your very own digital calculator using Arduino, an LCD and a keypad. You found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more such awesome tech builds.